Introduction: the new age of communication. In the past, businesses communicated with consumers through traditional channels: billboards, newspapers, radio, and television. These methods, while still relevant in some contexts, were one-way communication tools. The brand spoke, and the audience listened. Fast forward to the digital era. The internet reshaped how people connect, learn, buy, and share. And right at the heart of this transformation is social media. Social media marketing is not just a nice-to-have. It is now a central pillar in how brands build identity, generate revenue, and grow communities. 1. What exactly is social media marketing? At its core, social media marketing, SMM, is the practice of using social media platforms to connect with your audience, build brand awareness, generate leads, drive sales, and foster loyalty. It includes activities like publishing engaging content, engaging with followers, and responding to comments or messages, running campaigns and contests, collaborating with influencers, monitoring conversations around your brand, analyzing performance, and adjusting strategies. This goes far beyond just posting a pretty picture or a funny meme. It's about crafting a strategic presence on the platforms your target audience spends time on, and giving them a reason to follow, interact, and trust you. 2. The evolution of social media marketing. Early 2000s, platforms like Friendster and MySpace emerged. Brands saw potential but didn't fully understand how to leverage it. Mid-2000s, Facebook and began shaping a new era. Early adopters saw explosive organic reach. 2010, 2020, Instagram, Snapchat, and later TikTok introduced visual and short-form content. Algorithms became more complex. Paid advertising grew in importance. Influencer marketing exploded. Today, social media is deeply integrated into the consumer journey, from discovery to purchase to advocacy. Brands must not only be present, they must be intentional. 3. The components of effective social media marketing. Let's break it down into strategic pillars. A. Content strategy. Content is the fuel of social media. But not just any content, content with purpose. Types include educational content, tips, how-tos, explainers, entertaining content, memes, jokes, relatable reels, inspirational content, quotes, stories, customer wins, promotional content, product launches, sales, announcements. Great marketers balance these in a way that aligns with their audience's interests and pain points. B. Audience engagement. A key part of SMM is two-way communication. You're not just broadcasting messages, you're listening and responding. Reacting to comments, answering DMs, acknowledging mentions, starting conversations through polls, Q&As, and stories. This human connection builds trust, which leads to loyalty. C. Community building. The best brands don't just have followers, they have tribes. By consistently showing up, delivering value, and aligning with shared values, brands cultivate communities that advocate for them, defend them, and even help them grow via user-generated content or referrals. D. Brand positioning. Everything you post, say, and share contributes to your brand's online personality. Whether you're funny, professional, cheeky, or elegant, your brand's tone must be consistent across all platforms. This digital personality is what helps consumers decide if they trust you, resonate with you, or want to buy from you. E. Analytics and feedback loops. Every post, story, tweet, or reel leaves behind data. Smart marketers track engagement, likes, comments, shares, reach and impressions, follower growth, click-through rates, CTR, conversion rates. Using these insights helps refine future strategy and optimize for better results. 4. Why social media is not optional anymore. According to Statista, 2024, over 4.95 billion people use social media globally. The average user spends 2.5 hours per day on social media. 78% of consumers say social media influences their buying decisions. Whether you're a solopreneur, a local business, a non-profit, or a multinational brand, your audience expects you to show up on social media. Your absence is a missed opportunity. 5. Common myths about social media marketing. It's only for big brands with huge budgets. Reality, many small businesses thrive through organic content and community. You need to post every day on every platform. Reality, consistency matters more than frequency. Choose your platforms wisely. Social media doesn't drive real sales. Reality, social media is now part of the buyer's journey, especially with features like in-app shopping, product tags, and links. It's just for young people. Reality, every generation, including Gen X and Boomers, uses social platforms to discover products and services. 6. Examples of social media marketing in action. A Kenyan food vendor posts TikTok recipe videos, gaining 50K followers and increasing foot traffic. A local clothing brand uses Instagram Reels to showcase their designs and DMs to handle orders. A youth empowerment initiative builds a Facebook group for mentorship, job leads, and community engagement. A tech startup shares thought leadership content on LinkedIn, attracting partnerships and investors. 7. The real power. Storytelling plus value plus consistency. Social media marketing works best when you think like a storyteller, not a salesman. People don't want ads. They want experiences, education, and emotions. The brands that win are the ones that tell stories that inspire, offer consistent value, connect with people, not just sell to them. 8. How social media differs from traditional marketing. Aspect: traditional marketing, social media marketing, communication. One way. TV, radio. Two way. Comments, DMs, speed, slow feedback loop. Instant responses, cost expensive, billboards, ads. Often low cost or free, reach limited, global, targeted, personalization. Generic messaging, hyper-targeted content. Analytics, delayed, vague, real-time, detailed. 9. Who should use social media marketing? Everyone. Whether you're an entrepreneur, digital creator, NGO, politician, consultant, or corporation, if people use social media and you serve people, you need a strategy. 10. Closing thoughts, the social advantage. Social media marketing democratized visibility. You no longer need millions to get attention, just creativity, consistency, and authenticity. It's not about being viral. It's about being valuable. It's not about shouting. It's about relating. And it's not about selling. It's about serving first. Activity, optional but powerful. Pick your favorite social platform. Spend 15 minutes observing 3 brands or creators you admire. What kind of content do they post? How do they talk to their audience? How do they reflect their values through visuals and words? Write down your observations and see how you might apply similar strategies in your future social media efforts.